Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coloring a cute little witch girl. I am telling you a story about Willow the Witch, a sweet story for little one. This week, shared a story Willow the Witch. It's a sweet Halloween story about a good witch who wishes on the full moon on Halloween. She's a lonely little witch and she wishes for a child. Spoiler alert, she gets her wish. For more Halloween fun, make some yarn pumpkins. Here below the witch, in case you did like to tell this story yourself. It is said that on a magical full moon Halloween night, the most heartfelt wishes may come true. There once lived a wee little witch named Willow. She was not an ordinary witch but a kind and good witch. She lived alone in the root of a hollow tree on the edge of a large garden. It was Halloween, the busiest time of year for all witches, good and bad. Willow Witch was working in her pumpkin patch. There were pumpkins everywhere, big and small, round and tall. She wandered and watered them, and took good care of them. She worked until night fell. When she stood up and she looked at the sky, she saw a big, full, heaviest moon. She knew just what to do. Oh, I wish I had a child. I am lonely little witch. I would love her with all my heart. Then could close her eyes tight and said, Moonlight, moon bright, full moon in the sky tonight. Wish I may and I wish I might find a child to love this Halloween night. The wind began to blow. It blew through the pumpkin patch. Wash, wash. Pumpkin's leaf fluttered here and there. Then Willow heard something. It was a small sweet sound coming from one of the pumpkins. Willow went closer to have a look, and there, under the pumpkin leaf, was a child for me, cried out Willow. It looked just like her. She knew it must be true. My wish come true. Hooray, hooray! Willow picked up the baby, held it close to her heart and sang, Rock-a-baby, rock-a-baby, from the pumpkin patch. When the wind blew, I looked and found you, my love, for you is true and deep. So rock-a-baby, it's time to sleep. Happy Halloween, Willow called out into the night. Then she took her baby back to her home in the root of the hollow tree. They snuggled up and soon fell fast asleep. I hope all of you heartfelt dreams come true. I start and end this story with this song. You can hear the melody I use in the video. Moonlight, moon bright, full moon I see tonight. Wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Moonlight, moon bright, full moon I see tonight. Wish I might have this wish I wish tonight. I hope you will enjoy the video. How did you like this story of mine? If you like, so please subscribe to my channel to get the notification of each video will go to you first. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Subscribe us for more videos.